Good morning, students. Today I'll teach you three yogic exercise. First is Bhujang Asana. Second is Adhomukh Asana. And third is Sastang Namaskar. So before you do this three asanas, you have to do some exercise. In yoga, if when you start yoga, first you have to do some yogic exercise. I told you before also some Suchma Vyayam you can do. So first you start like this, legs straight and up and down. Breathing normal. You need to do 10 times. Ankle rotation. Head forward like this. And forward. Roll your wrist. Upwards, downwards. In this time, hand should be straight. Stretch your hands till 4 count. Head up and down. When you are sitting Sukhasana, your backbone should be straight. Head up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck rotation front to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands straight up. Press this side. Other side. Now you start. The exercise is over. First is Bhujangasana. What to do in Bhujangasana? First, you have to knee, keep it here, hands forward, and lay down like this. And keep it here. Before Bhujangasana, you have to do like this. Now first, both hands keep it here near the chest. Now from here, you have to pull your body up and try to see upside. Head should be straight like this. Legs straight, bend from your body from your stomach. Normal breathing. Stay for 10 seconds to 20 seconds. Next is, this exercise is very good for your back pain, for your spinal cord. Next is Adhomukh Asana. Adhomukh Asana means your body, you can English you can say Parvatasana, mountain asana. It is do like this. First, both hands feet apart. Now, legs straight, head between two hands, and you have to look to your navel, stomach, like this. Breathing normal. Your both knees straight. Stay for a time.
Sir,
10
let's
to
wait.
20 seconds.
Huh?
Next is Ashtang Asana. Now, Ashtang Asana, Ast matlab 8. 8, you have to touch 8 things on the floor. What are they? First here, toe. 2 toes, 2 knees, 2 to 4, 5 and 6. 6 is over. Now your chest touch here and your chin also touch in floor like this. In this time your stomach will not touch the floor. It is very clear. So you have to do like this. This asana you have to do at least 10 to 20 seconds. Now, next is when you mix these 3 asanas, that is Bhujangasana, Adho Mukha Asana, Ashtanga Namaskar Asana, we make one yogic push-ups. Now, we start with first yogic push-up. It is for class 1 to 5. You can do nicely. Smaller students also can do, and class 5 children also can do. So, how I start yogic push-up? First, you have to stand like this. First, you have to take any positions like Bhujangasana. Start beginning of Bhujangasana. Lay down like this. Head skip it here. Now, first 1 Bhujangasana, 2 Parvatasana, like this, 3 Ashtanga Asana, once again 1, you can do like this also, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Students, it is very good for your whole body exercise. Now, when you understand what you have to do, after that you have to do 1 minute continuously, or you can do first you start 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds you have to count how much you are doing. Okay, in 30 seconds how much you are doing, you have to just keep one watch in front of you, and you have to do in 30 seconds how much you are doing. Okay, so I am doing now 30 seconds in front of you. You also practice in home like this. Okay, so I also start. Just see how I'm doing fast. First you have to say a starting position like this. Before the Bhujangasana you start like this. Now ready? When 30 seconds is over, then you leg your hands up. Okay, say ready, start. So this you have to practice. When you do fast, your whole body exercise. In lockdown times, in morning, you can do this exercise. It is very good for your health. So thank you, children. Next time I release some more video to you. Thank you.